Hello and welcome to John Banks Honda. I'm Mark Banks, and yes, we're going to extend the summer offers. So what do we got? We got the Rebel 1100s. We were famous for it in the summer. We're going to continue it for the next month while stocks last. So you can have a Rebel manual, standard model, 8299 on the road, or £800 deposit and £99.58 a month. If you want the DCT, £1,120 deposit, £99.58 a month. That bike's at $9,199. If you want the Tour manual, which has the front screen, the guard, has the luggage standard on the bike, £9,149, £99.58, £1,170 deposit. And if you want the DCT version of it, £10,049, £1,618 deposit, and you got it, £99.58 a month. We've got a handful of these bikes left. Be quick, we're doing the deal on the summer offer on stock bikes. So give us a shout at any of our branches, Colchester, Bury St Edmunds and Cambridge, or visit johnbanks.co.uk and we'll hook you up with one of these great bikes. Thanks for watching.